First one I ever saw.
That's gotta be a tornado.
Gotta be a little little one.
Looks like it's breaking up now, though.
Trailer or something. Yeah, before it got real big right over there. Let's just hope it doesn't go to the river.
Okay, just relax, girls.
That's gotta be a tornado. I've never seen it fly like that.
Yeah, that's a tornado. It's gotta be a tornado cloud. It didn't touch, it's just swirling around. See leaves and stuff blowing.
It was a lot bigger over there.
Yeah, it grew a lot bigger above those trees, and now it's headed that way. It was getting smaller.
It's like getting bigger again.
They say the south corner, southwest.
So move by my house.
I hope it leaves my house. I kind of like my house. You can take the garage down.
Yes, they are. What's that? Yay.
It's